Welcome to Glen Valley Regional Park. Gagala muna ang lola at na-boring na ang puday. Here's the lake. Nice water. Grabe yung tubig. Ang lakas umalon. Ang lakas niya namang umalon. Parang merong ano sa ilalim. Nakatera. May buhaya ba dito? May buhaya sa ilalim ng tubig. Sila yung mga flood control crab sa Pilipinas. Ay, 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 may maligo! The birds! Oh my god, they're cute! They're cute! A dive fish here. So big. Malaki para isda dito. Oh my gosh. It's huge. Yeah, I wish to get like a live fish. Namatay siya. Nakaginhawa. Ginoo ko. RIP fish. Sorry for that. Di ka man na nakasurvive fish. Oh, nag-isda dali. Mabuhi diri sa Canada. Ginoo. Kaluoy sa isda eh. Kaluoy sa isda na pud. Nasa sa gilid. Naunsa man ni siya. Naunsa man ka diha. Buhi pa ba ni Bit? Anong kuhiton daw Bi? Atong kuhiton og buhi pa. Fishy! Fishy! You okay? I'm gonna help you. Come on. Oh my god. Fishy! Naku kaayo siya. Ginoo. Unsa man ka diha? Di man ta ka maabot. Uy, pastilan. Luya uy. Kaluoy sa isda na masakre na wala ng ulo. Paita. Luya uy. Wala naman kay ulo. Naman yung ulo. Salmon man na ini isdaan.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them.
Massacre. He was massacred though.
Yeah, its head got ripped.
Oh my. Baka mo nangamatay yung isda diri uy. Kaluoy ba eh? Train. Labay na ang train. Masakya ko, Bill. Sorry. Kailangan sumuong muna dito sa mga ano. Ginawa ko eh. Wala magisi man ang akong bisong dere eh. Ginoo. Kaya ka nako ni lakoni basta lang. Bakrobilin. Ang bakrobilin. Oh my God. Pero daghan sila nakuha. Lantaw tag na ay ano. Kung makakuha ba sila isda. Oh. That's cool. See? Oh, it's good. Can I take a ride? Can I take a ride with you? Amazing. Oh, it's so cute.
Those things were big.
The fishes are jumping. Why did this stop?
Could be a sturgeon in there that's scaring them up or something.
Mm-hmm. No, they stopped jumping. It was cute. Hey, jump again. They're so big. Oh my God.
There's these fields all over the place. I mean, you can walk around here with a basket, and I mean, I don't know why the homeless people don't come down here. You can live here and eat all the fruit and vegetables all you want. You know?
Yeah.
It's so plentiful.
Homeless are like lazy though.
Yeah, a little bit. They don't need to be as desperate as they are.
It's a long cornfield. A very long